Florida Therapy Services is just one resource in our area who's offering help to those who are having mental health needs. In part 2 of our Panhandle Strong series, Unspoken, News 13's Kayla Tucker shows us how they're finding new ways to reach more people.
Now less than 1 month away from the 1-year anniversary of Hurricane Michael, mental health professionals are staying busy.
We have had a larger increase in depression. We've had a pretty significant increase in PTSD.
Florida Therapy Services is fully recovered from the storm and helping thousands.
Psychiatric services, behavioral health services, there is a shrinking stigma associated with this. We believe in the medical model. We believe that if you're suffering with depression, it's the same thing as if you're suffering from hypertension.
Hild says the patients they were seeing before the storm are returning with the same needs, but amplified.
When you expose them to such a significant event like the storm, like the loss of their support systems, then those folks who were getting along normally, now that that stressor is introduced, they're more likely to be depressed or be anxious or engage in suicidal behaviors.
The office is also finding new ways to help people who physically cannot get into the office, using technology to have sessions whenever someone may need it.
Our patients, if they have Wi-Fi or if they have a good data connection, they can beam as their therapy appointments. They can beam into an office or into the therapist's home and do therapy that way.
And as October 10th approaches and anxieties increase, Hild says it's important to be more accessible to patients.
So every time there's something that spins up in the Gulf, or like Hurricane Dorian that just came through, the anxiety that is normal is amplified by what happened last year.
He says the best way to heal is to get help.
Folks are starting to understand that if you have depression, or if you have ADHD, or if you have schizophrenia, or if you have bipolar disorder, it's not something that should be hidden. It should be something that's addressed.
Kayla Tucker, News 13, Panhandle Strong.